What is up guys, this is your boy Vishu again with another practice program, and these are all very basic practice programs, and all of these can be put on your GitHub. If you don't know what a GitHub is, there are a lot of really good beginner GitHub videos that you can look at and create your GitHub. It will help you a lot in the long run, and it will also help you save all of the programs that you're writing and display it to everyone. So in this video, we are going to pass a number. Let's keep it simple. So I will do number is equal to 4, and we are going to find the power of this number. So we'll do power is equal to 2. So what we will do is 4 raised to 2, which is like 4 square, which should be 16. If we do 4 cube, that means that it's 4 into 4 into 4, 64. 4 raised to 4 is 256. Similarly, if I do 2 power 7, I think that's 128, but we can calculate that right now. And the way you will do this is just print f we will do answer is equal to 4, not 4, number into power. 4 power 2 is 16. Let's change this to 64. What we can do is for power in range, let's do 210. Let's change this to power and print each of these down so we can see every power. And this is one way of doing this. You have the power of 4 until 10, until 9 actually. The second way to do this was very easy. It's one of the mathematical operators in Python. But if you don't want this, there is a math function that you can use, and the math function will always give you this value in one line. So I can do answer is equal to math dot, and we have factorial over here that we did in the last video. We created 2 programs which is available in the math module. So you don't have to do that, but you can directly calculate the factorial. You can do trigonometry like a sine, a tan. We are not going to go into all of those. What we will use is the power which has x and y. So the first one is going to be number, the second one is going to be power. And if I run this now, it will give me the same values but in decimals, because this will give you a float one, and because it is using the math module. So this is the second way you can do this, and you can change this to 2, and it's easier to do it with 2 because this is how all the memories or hard disk or RAM are calculated. All of those things are calculated with the power of 2. So if I do 2 raised to 20, you will see everything until power 19 actually. But that is it for this video. Pretty short and simple. You can also do print math.py. Is pi there? Let me see. Okay, so the pi value is also already present, so you don't have to remember it. I think that is it for this video guys. Pretty short and simple. I wanted to introduce you to this module. So that's it guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.